We're having some trouble with our refrigerator.
Whoa!
I opened up the freezer and everything was thawed, so I had to cook everything in the freezer today. Dave's trying to...
Yeah, it's cold.
But it's the same cold that it's not like these should be frozen. Let's check the ice cubes. Here. Oh, it's water. Does anyone have a refrigerator? Ship it to Grow City? What happened to the fan? Oh, there it goes. We're gonna camp and like we're in our house. Filling the cooler up with the refrigerator items. Good thing I haven't been to the grocery store in a little while.
The shake and rattle test. Unplug start relay from compressor and give it a shake. If you can hear that rattle inside, the part is bad. I think it's bad. Can you hear that? It's like a maraca. Is that what they're called?
Honey, will you dance with me?
No. We dance ourselves to the store.
Never get him to dance with me. Never.
We dance to the appliance store.
Oh, wait. Can you do that again?
Yeah. No. Can only do it once.
Well, got it all packed up. Everyone should have a red cooler. Usually we're complaining about the cold, but I'm glad that it's cold now so that we can put food outside and it doesn't get spoiled. Sometimes you gotta look for the silver lining. Day 2, no refrigerator.
Well, it's 13 degrees out, so.
So everything's frozen. Look at my Pepsi is like it's a slushy. It's great. Headed to Greenville. We're going to get us an overload relayer. And Dave's gonna fix the refrigerator. Right, Dave?
Well, we're just gonna really shotgun parts at it and hope it fixes it.
I married a genius. He's not only awesome, he's a genius too.
Expert on many subjects.
More of like a jack of all trades, expert on
very few subjects.
Coming upon it. There we go.
Your destination is on the right.
Made it. Question is, will they have the part? Stay tuned. That did not work. So Dave, what are we doing now?
We'll find another place to go. I didn't have what we needed.
We also need a model number. So we made Jossie move the refrigerator and take a picture of it.
I think that's it.
Good job, Joss. The poor kid sent every number she could find on the back of the refrigerator.
New part has arrived. Let's put it in and see what happens. Okay, I think that's it. Let's plug it in and try it out. Nothing. Oh, here's something. Oh, the fan's on. The compressor is not turning on. Just give it a second. See what happens. Can't really tell if that's working or not. Whoa. What was that?
I don't know.
Can't really tell yet. Whoa! Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. Better unplug that. Hey, can you order a whole... Still making noise. Can you order a full-size fridge on Amazon? I don't know.
Let's find out.
Check it out. You gotta be kidding me.
Found one.
For real?
Yeah. Look at that. It's even silver on sale.
Oh my god.
Yep. Yep. Oh, I didn't know the black one. So I like the silver. You like the silver? Let's go silver.
When will it be here? 2 days.
2 days. Yep.
That's fascinating.
Wait. It says, David says that they'll take our old one away too. Yes. You think we should put it on the porch as in the code, and we could have like a refrigerator cooler till it gets here?
We'll be like a bunch of hillbillies.
Let's do it. Try to package.
I can't believe you can buy a refrigerator and have it delivered on Amazon.
It's shipped, Dave. Arrives Saturday between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m.
That's fascinating. You can get anything on Amazon. Oh, there they are. Truck's here. New refrigerator. They must have like a fleet department, because that's an Enterprise truck, but dude had an Amazon add-on. Interesting. See you later. Thanks for the new fridge. Literally everything is frozen. Everything. Frozen tortillas. We got some frozen ranch. Frozen oil and vinegar. I'm not sure where any of this stuff goes. Frozen mushrooms. Frozen ketchup. Yeah. Milk probably doesn't go there. I don't know where it goes. Frozen salsa. That over here. That'll get broken. Oh, frozen mustard. That's funny. Frozen? I think this is a lemon. Frozen lemon. That's interesting. Put that down there. Frozen vinaigrette. Frozen cheese. These are funny. You're hard as a baseball. You hear that? Dang! Just in case you didn't know, if eggs get frozen, you can thaw them out and cook them up. They're good. Learn something new every day.
Woo! That looks awesome! Yay! Oh my gosh! Gotta take my off. It's probably dirty anyway. Let's check this baby. What? Oh, it goes the other way. Awesome.
New refrigerators here.
Thank you, Amazon. No more porch cooling.
Frozen ranch. No more frozen ranch.
It was -12 this morning. Like and subscribe if you really like us. Buy our merchandise. Bye.